moments
A
later.
measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data. It's also called as central location in summary statistics. The mean is most likely the measure of central tendency that are familiar with, such as the median and the mode. They are all valid measures of central tendency but under different conditions.
In this video following section we will look at the mean, median and mode. First we will look at the mean. The mean is the most popular and well-known measure of central tendency. It can be used with both discrete and continuous data.
How to calculate them? The mean is equal to the sum of all the values in the dataset divided by the number of values in the dataset.
In addition, the mean is the only measures of central tendency where the sum of the deviations of each value from the mean is always zero.
Few minutes later.
What the median? The median of a dataset is the value that's exactly in the middle when it is ordered from low to high. Dataset 12 12 15 15 15 17 17. To find the median, first put all the values in order. This has been done already. Next, find out what value lies in the middle. The middle position is calculated using n plus 1/2, where n equals 7. 7 plus 1/2 equals 4. That means the median is the fourth value in your ordered dataset. Median equals 15. What happens when there are two values in the middle? Find the median by calculating the mean of the two values. Example. The values at the n/2 and n/2 plus 1 position. The middle positions are calculated using n/2 and n/2 plus 1, where n equals 6. 6 halves equals 3. 6 halves plus 1 equals 4. That means the middle values are the third value, which is 15, and the fourth value, which is 17. To get the median, take the mean of the two middle values by adding them together and dividing by 2. 15 plus 17/2 equals 16. Median, 16. Hello there. What is the mode?
The mode symbolized Mo is the most frequent score. That's it.
No calculation is needed.
Here we have the number of items found by 11 children in scavenger hunt. What was the modal number of items found? 14, 6, 11, 8, 7, 20, 11, 3, 7, 5, 7. If there are not too many numbers, a simple list of scores will do. However, if there are many scores, you will need to put the scores in order and then create a frequency table. Here are the previous scores in a descending order frequency table. The mode is 7, because there are more 7s than any other number. Note that the number of scores on either side of the mode does not have to be equal. It must be equal, but it doesn't have to be. In this example, 3 scores below the mode and 5 scores above the mode. Nor does the numerical distance of the scores from the mode on either side of the mode have to balance. It could balance, but it doesn't have to balance. Finding the distance of each score from the mode, we get following values on each side of the mode. ASN shown in boldface, -7 does not balance, +29. The mode is the least stable of the three measures of central tendency. This means that it will probably vary most from one sample to the next. Assume, for example, that we send these same 11 children on another equally difficulty scavenger hunt.
What is the new mode? It is 11, because there are now 3 11s and only 2 7s. This is a very big change in the mode, considering that most of the scores in the two hunts were the same. Furthermore, the two hunts would almost certainly be more different than I made them. This, of course, further increases the likelihood that the mode will change. Because of its simplicity, the mode is an adequate measure of central tendency to report. You need a summary statistic in a hurry. For most purposes, however, the mode is not the best measure of central tendency to report. It is simply too subject to the vagaries of the cases that happen to fall in a particular sample. For very small samples, the mode may have a frequency only 1 or 2 higher than the other, not very informative. Finally, no additional statistics are based on the mode. For these reasons, it is not useful as the median or the mean. Thank you, my friend.
It's my pleasure, my friend.